Okay, welcome back. We have our entire roof completely traced, identified, and I don't think I went through this area with you, so let me delete that. The cutout that goes around a dormer or an opening, a hole in the roof that needs those rafters to go around it must be drawn first, and then the rafters, when you generate them, they'll travel around that. But this is a situation where rafters are coming down to this dead valley here, and this valley comes and it rests on these rafters here, so you need a cricket. So what you do in that situation to remove this area is the same process. You just do it after the rafters are generated. Click on that one surface, zoom out a little bit, and G7, and then we just adjust it and put it back. Now our square footage, let's check this roof. We're going to get into the list and the jack rafters and all that. The square footage that PlanView Pro is showing is 6,014, and the actual square footage of this roof, according to Architectural Designer's CAD system, is 6,005. So we're pretty close. And let's go through these jacks. Now the red are the jack rafters. Remember, we hit the complete button right there, and the jacks have not been completed. That's the red is anything under this combined limit. So we'll change that to 10, and you can see these jacks change, or 12. See them change again. Let's go back to 8. Well, let's leave them at 12. So what you want to do to complete those areas is the same process. Click your edit button, click on a jack rafter. That's how many lineal footage you have within that one shape of jack rafter material. So let's use 2x8s. We got 65 feet. So let's bust that up between 8s, 10s, and 12s. Always hit your complete button. And you can repeat edit those 3 lengths throughout the entire roof. And that completes your jack rafters. For the fascia properties, we've got 487 feet of fascia material, which are those number 2 spruce, and we're gonna split those up between 2x8s, and then we'll do the same thing, 8s, 10s, and 12s, and you can keep going, but 3 is normally the estimator's tool to split up board length. And then the same thing with the freeze boards. We'll use a 2x8, 8s, 10s, and 12s. Now, this entire roof has been completely estimated within a matter of minutes. And what's going to show up next? What's going to happen next once this is done? Well, you can export this file in a large format SVG, which requires another program or a add-on program to open that file if the designer or whoever does not have Adobe Photoshop or something like that. So a PDF works just as well. And we'll export that as a PDF. And there's that entire roof in high resolution. So you can send this out with the plans. You can print it with the plans. Or you can do the SVG. Let's do the list now. So we go to Generate Cut List. We can add a waste overall, or we can edit waste per item. So if we go there, we can go back to this job, the materials, the takeoff list, and add our waste. We can add our unit cost per board, and eventually we want to tie this into a lumber company system where they can, as soon as you update your cost, the lumber company, as soon as the lumber company updates their cost, it will automatically update in PlanView Pro as well. Let's go back to jobs. and let's generate this cut list, material list in a PDF format. Okay, that PDF has downloaded, and that took about 2 minutes because this system needs to collect all that data and put it into a PDF format, and it really depends on your internet connection as well. So let's open that up, and right here you can print this off is the job description. This is the actual numbers of that PDF that we produced earlier. So these numbers coincide with the numbers on the actual roof diagram, and then it's separated down here, and that's the end of that list. And then it goes to your combined list. This is what you hand the lumber company, or this is what the lumber company will use to send out to the job site for that roof. That is everything in that roof: rafter, all your hips, valleys, decking, nails, ridges, LVLs, collar ties, shingle molds, soffits, decking, plywood, clips, everything in that roof that you'll need. And it even includes gutters, but you can turn the gutters on and off if you want to. Most guys go out and measure it on their own. So but that is the program, and it's a new way to design roofs and easily get a material list and have less waste, and there's less time, which leads to higher profit margins with PlanView Pro.